Hi guys, so I am done and I will not be driving to church. I'll be going with lifestyle.
What's up, beauties? You're welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of a vlog I did some time ago. Enjoy the makeup.
Usual, I'll be mattifying my brows and I'm using the Sasha Buttercup. And after which, I'll go in with my spoolie. Something got on the way of the spoolie. I'll go in with my spoolie and just brush the hair. Maybe I should push my hair backwards. Um, okay. So I'm using this pencil. I got it off from AliExpress.
So this is kind of like an everyday makeup, a makeup that you can wear anywhere without lashes, like the title says. And it's important to have natural brows. Okay, so just follow the shape of your brows. That's what I'm doing with this brows, nothing complicated. So I decided to go for a simple look today because for a while now I've been going like full glam, full hippie makeup. So I decided to come back to myself to do.
I'm using the camouflage concealer to highlight my brows.
So the camouflage concealer is an affordable concealer I bought from Amazon. I'll leave the link for those who are interested, and I wanted to show you how you can slay cheap. Okay, like it's very affordable compared to the LA Girl concealer I usually use for the MAC, but it still does the job. I'll use it as well to highlight my entire face. So I'm keeping the brows very simple. That's why you can see me defining the brow the way I'm doing, and I try to extend it like after the brow because I want the other brow to kind of match. Like I always say, my brows are very complicated, so I have to take extra measures to see that they kind of look equal. Yeah, I just did the brow. I did the other side. I didn't want the video to be long and boring, guys, but you know the drill. I'm using my spoolie brush to just brush out the beginning to make it look natural. Now using the same camouflage concealer, I will use that as my eyeshadow base to start applying my eyeshadow. Remember guys, this is a non eyelash makeup tutorial, so you want to apply some base so that at least the eyelash will kind of pop, especially as you will not be using your as far as you're not be using the the eyelash, because the eyelash usually covers like a lot of imperfection. If you didn't draw your eyeliner well, the eyelash can mask that. I don't know if I'm making sense. So I'm using the Revolution palette. I'll show that later on, and I'm using just like a brownish color. Yeah, that's the Revolution palette. I'm using that color as my transition color, and I'm using this fluffy blending brush to just watch further.
Come on, oh yeah, come on, everybody bless the Lord. Lift your voice right where you are. Jesus is beautiful. Say, come
on. Now I'll be using this purple color from the Revolution palette. I created this entire look using only the Revolution palette. I'll place that as my outer V.
Hallelujah, but my God, you're too much. Big God, mighty God, you are worthy. You never fail. Awesome God, great God, we adore your name. You are worthy, Lord. I give you the glory. I give you the praise. I give you the glory. I give you the praise. I give you the glory. I give you the praise. I give you the glory. I give you the
praise. Now I'm gonna use the nude color, this color from the Revolution palette, to place that in my eyelids, because we are going for a complete matte look, guys. It's kind of a very light purple color, I'll place that in my eyelids. This is a complete matte look, which is why you need to prime your eyes very well so that the matteness can hold onto your eyelid. If not, you know that with most eyeshadow palettes, the matte is always falling off. But I love this Revolution palette because it's so pigmented.
Increasing my life, oh. Increasing my life, oh. Speed on my feet, oh.
Now moving on to the eyeliner, which is my favorite part, especially when I'm not putting eyelashes. You have to take your time for this because remember what I said, there are no lashes to mask the eyeliner, so you have to try for the eyeliner to look perfect. I really love lining my eyes. Like guys, I can go without eyeshadow, but to go without an eyeliner is a no-no for me. So because the eyeliner just changes the look. Look at the other eye, guys. I don't even think I brushed my natural lashes in this video. We'll see eventually, but if I did not, then you just take the eyeliner as it is with the eyeshadow. My people, if you are watching to this level and you thought you're giving me a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up and encourage your girl. And please to watch to the end because I did this video a complete makeup, like my other video I did the eye and then later on I'm to do the face. So I'm priming my eyes using the zero primer. I find it that it really goes for my skin tone because I'm having a kind of dry skin, but this concealer really helps to moisturize everything. And I'll be using the Melanin foundation in the color Amber. I'll leave it in the description, guys. This makeup is very affordable. It's a very affordable makeup tutorial. You can get this Melanin foundation from Beauty Bay. I think it's just about €6 or so, and it's very good to full coverage. I'm trying to outline the eyeshadow to give it like a perfect crispy sharp effect.
Oh, glory and honor, praise belongs to you, oh God. Hey, now only you deserve my praise. I give up to you. You can never fail. You changed my life, make me a testimony, Jesus. Oh, la, la, la. It all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. Now you the reign. Nobody like you. You love me, tell me why. You say. Check.
Using my damn beauty blender, I'll blend everything out. And going in with that same concealer, the camouflage concealer, guys, this is kind of like a review makeup tutorial. Okay, I'll place that in my eyes. Just look at that Melanin foundation. If I don't tell you that this foundation is €6, you'll not believe me. So this is a camouflage and I'm using it to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and I think that's it. Using that same damp beauty blender, I will blend out the concealer, guys. This concealer, I was using it for the first time. You don't really need to put this much, okay? Very little goes a long way. You can see how massive it's extending the blending. So that probably, it was my first time using it, I would have probably gone very small, but nevertheless we learn on a daily basis and I learned my lesson for this concealer. So when you do this, it takes you a very long time to I'm sorry my voice is sounding this way, guys. It's very early in the morning. The kids are still sleeping, so I took the opportunity to do this voice over the full week and they start screaming all over the place. You know the life of a struggling YouTuber mom, right? Okay, I'm using this. Where did I get this powder from? I got this powder from Pennies, guys, and just €1. Yeah, I'm not even ashamed to say it. And the way it, my god, the way it contours, you have to be pretty careful. Yeah, Pennies, Primark. Maybe if I say Pennies, you don't know. I got it from Primark. You see, even without applying the cream contour, you see how it is giving me that contour, that very dark contour look. You have to be careful with this. Oof, I put too much. I put too much. We're just gonna blend that out. I was preparing to go for church. If you watched my vlog, if you haven't watched my vlog, please go and watch the vlog. It's one of my most interesting vlogs. It's been long I haven't vlogged. Guys, let me know if you want to see more of my vlogs. By the way, where are we vlogging to? Why in lockdown? Nothing is happening. No vlog, nothing. God help us.
Hallelujah, Baba, I give you glory. Everybody, give me praise. Thank you, Jesus. Come on, people, are you ready for this one? Come on. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his court with praise. My God is faithful. Hallelujah, Baba, I give you glory. Hallelujah, Jesus, I give you glory.
I think it was only high-end the product I used. I'm using the MAC powder to just further blend my entire face, especially areas where I didn't highlight or apply the contour powder. I'll just blend everything, make everything look seamless.
You were good, you were kind, you were great. Jesus, this song is for you.
This lip liner is from Essence, and I love how smooth the lip liner is, and it lasted me all day, guys. It's very affordable as well. I think I got it for €1 or less. I really love the color. I love it. It's nice. You can get this lip liner from Essence. Remember, we are slaying cheap, and this can be the ideal makeup for Valentine, guys. Like, I'm not even joking about it. Valentine's, you don't need to go heavy, you just go simple, especially you're going for a date night. And once again, I asked, do we have dates in Ireland? Nothing is happening, so we're just paying the Valentine indoors. But this can be a vibe look just because we are in the season of Valentine's, right? I'm using, this is my most expensive lip, the very matte lip stick from Glow, and I'll just try to blend that in and blend. You just have to blend it. I was running late for church, so I just decided to go for the powder instead of cream. I usually clean my lips with my concealer.
You love me, tell me why. You say.
Now I'm using the Glow Nude to highlight my face, just my Cupid's bow, and I'll just apply the finishing spray. This finishing spray helps to neutralize your makeup, make it last all day. So guys, here is a completed look, and I don't know what the heck I was doing here, but I think I should have applied lip gloss on my lips because the lips are looking too matte. Again, it was winter. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you feel about this makeup look. Let me know the best part of this makeup. Let me know if it's the lips, the eyes. For me, it's definitely the eyes. I love how everything was blended out. I love how my eyebrows came out. They were not too much. It was just natural. I kind of like looked like my natural eyebrows, which were just highlighted and defined. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely gonna see you in my next video. Bye.
you too much. Oh, no, no. Big